In this video, we'll walk you through the process of assigning a name and ID to your charger. While you have the freedom to choose any name and ID you prefer, we suggest selecting something familiar to your customers like charger ID or bay number to make locating the charger easier. Simply follow along and set the charge name and charge ID fields as shown. Next, we'll ensure customers are informed about the app they need to use to start charging. You can customize the value of app name to provide clear instructions. Lastly, we'll set up a QR code for convenient access to the app or payment link. If you have a link, you can copy it here. Don't worry if you don't, it's an optional feature. Zappi will automatically generate the QR code based on the link you provided. The next time you plug in, customers will see a QR code to scan. It's as simple as that.